Here you see a set of about 200 Quercus tomentella, the island oak, in number 15 Pioneer air pruning containers. Looking really nice, a true evergreen. You see the upright growth habit. Here we get a view of the leaves. Very unusual looking for an oak. This is the rarest of all California native oaks, and they are proving to be surprisingly good urban trees. They have a nice, most of them, you can see the variation from tree to tree here. And these are wild-grown trees that have some real variation, but you can also see that most of them, if not virtually all of them, have a nice upright growth habit. These are very unusual containers that were custom made for the nursery here. We're at Devil Mountain Nursery. You can see many of them are just coming into new growth right now. And here you can see the little burst of pink. They can grow quite quickly, surprisingly quickly. These have only been shifted from number 5s for about 3 months. So let's get ourselves a look at the results of rooting after 3 months. So here you can see how the container fits into its socket to keep it from drying out too rapidly. And here, as we move in, you can start to see little white rootlets. And so the air pruning process is already happening even after 3 months of winter. So thanks for joining us.